What's up guys? So I know most of you have different products in your restroom and you're not sure when to use what. So I want to show you when it's appropriate to use a gel and maybe when it's good to use a pomade. The gel would be great during the week when you're getting ready for work, and a pomade when you have the time to style your hair. So we've already cut Alex's hair. His hair is dry, so I want to show you two looks. We'll call it gel versus pomade. So it all comes down to preference, if you want flexibility or firmness in your hair and how you're gonna wear your hair for whatever style. Hopefully you do have the right product, but I just hope this video helps you guys out. Stay tuned and subscribe. I'll see you guys soon.